Pops, the man with the plan right here.
Yo, staying with these young guys, that's the plan. Keep
Yo.
that, because you know what, you can't hide the vibe. So Pops and Sons here giving you guys some valuable information. One of the big heavy hitters in this business. I said it from day one when I met him, I don't know, 6 years ago. Guy was no joke. And guess what? I was right. Guy works down in Riverdale, top money producing, no nonsense customers over there. You know, they make you earn that, you know, money. And these guys don't give it up. They're out there competing for 6, 5, you know, big numbers up there. So Manny, what you wanna tell us where you're from and why you got into real estate?
So I'm Manny, I'm from the Bronx. I got into real estate because I wanted to become a landlord and real estate investor myself.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Ultimate goal, be a real estate developer, be able to develop a piece of real estate, you know, and show it to my family or leave it here before, you know, after I leave this earth, have my mark on the world.
That's right. And that's part of this show, Pops and Son. I teach my son how to create generational wealth. Manny's right on track on that. I just came from a property that I own 30 years now, and I got a tenant in there, and I had to meet with Section 8. You guys are going to see that video because I've been up since 7:30 in the morning.
Good stuff. That's the real stuff that people don't know. The sacrifice.
Yes. I want to talk about that. You see? All right, we're going to finish this walk or call an ambulance for me. All right, later.